students, earlier session we have completed the types of diagrams. Now we have to continue with the technologies. Different technologies we are using in economics, and here use of technologies in the study of economics. There are two types. First is computer technology and second is internet technology. In this session we have to continue with the computer technology and internet technology. Next session we have to continue. Now in that, first is a presentation. In computer you all are aware about the presentation. With the help of slideshow, PowerPoint presentations were there, and from that presentation we can present our ideas in the form of slides. So here complicated economic data and difficult theories of the economy can be made easier by expressing in the PowerPoint presentation. So with the help of multiple slides we can present our theories in the form of slides. So that can make the easier form. Next is a Excel worksheet. So here in a computer technology, Excel worksheet is also made role playing. Here Excel worksheets are the almost an important tool for the processing data in the economics. Data can be entered and sheets can be processed by the data for any formulas. Here we can have the different type of formulas. When we are placing the data in the computer, so many cells were there in an Excel sheet, and with the help of Excel sheet we can use the different type of formulas, and with the help of formulas, just like a total, for totaling is equal to sum, for average total is equal to AVG. So like that formulas knowledge can give by the help of Excel sheets. We can obtain various figures for the data. Whenever the Excel sheet we have given the data, with that data we can get the figures also in the form of graphs and diagrams. So that Excel sheet is also very important for the study. Then third is the diagrams and the graphs. So here in a diagrams and graph also we can have the ready-made data. With the help of data we can place in the form of pictorial representation. So that is in the form of diagram or a graph. Simple drawing tool in the Word file. You all are aware about the computer, and in that Word file is also one kind of a software. So with the help of Word file we can place the data, and with the help of data we can draw the graph or a diagram. And Excel sheet plot all type of diagrams and graphs for the given data. Whenever we have given the data, with the selection of that data we can place in the diagram or a graph. That diagram or a graph may be possible vertical or a horizontal. Nowadays with the help of computer technology we can have the bar graph in a horizontal form also and in a vertical form also. So that is the benefit for drawing a graph and a diagram. Next is the storage tools. Storage. Whenever we are having the books, important books that have for the study that have importance, so we can preserve it. But that is a fear of loss, fear of anything to make it weight. So for that we have to store it. So here we use plenty of study material. Means so much amount of books we are having in the form of physical notes, books, or any textbook or any form we can have in the physical form. Means we have in the we can be touch. So, but there is a fear of losing. Means खो जाना, that have to be lost by someone. Owing to moist, भीग जाना, खराब हो जाना, and पेस्ट पेस्ट लग जाना मीन्स सड़ जाना, उसके अंदर कीड़े लग जाना. So that way we can have the fear of this data have to be lost. So we can have the preserve such material in the computer. Whenever we are having a computer, we can preserve this old material in the form of technology, and can transfer in the hard disk. Hard disk, that is in the computer itself only. We can transmit in the hard disk, then in the pen drive, then it can be transferred with the help of email from one computer to the another computer through internet, Dropbox, Google Drive, digital locker, etc. We can transmit our data in other form. Okay, so that is very important. Digital locker is also, we can have the mark sheet and important materials we can transmit in the digital locker, just like our physical locker in the bank, like a digital locker in the world of the computer is available. So with the help of this we can operate. Now next is other tools, statistical programs like SPSS, SAS, EView, SAS, etc. are developed. So this all are for the particular company for their purpose. Just like a company of liquid products producing or a physical products producing. So they are developing their own softwares. So like that they are very costly. Research institutions buy the such programs. So these are very costly and they pay also for that. And because of this particular intention they are developing, so that way they have to pay for that. And some free of cost also available software are Grid, PSPP and R. So they are available through internet. We can get it free of cost and can be available through internet. Okay, so this all are the information about computer technology. All these functions of the computer means all these functions are also available on a smartphone. I think you all are having a smartphone. You can have aware about the smartphone, and on a tablets also all this computer technology available. Now whenever anything we have to do, some precautions we have to take. For using this computer technology also some cautions we have to be careful about. So here the cautions in using computer technologies are over here. First is it can be aid to study. Means it is a study material. Not a study material. It is just through computer we can study, not it is the material. Then next is it makes the process of the study faster and easier. Through a computer we can make it faster and easier, but does not replace the process of the study. और हमारा study करना कम नहीं करता है, easier and faster, but we have to study that. If we do not use right command, we may lose our material also. Whenever delete button have by chance placed, and by playing some other function keys have to be placed, so may possible that data have to be lost. So that is cautions we have to take care. If we do not know right formulas, just I have informed about the total. For the total is equal to sum, for average is equal to AVG. So like formulas for the right formulas and commands, we may get incorrect graph or data processing. So we can get wrong information with wrong formulas. So we have to take care about the formulas. We can work when Excel sheet. So these all are the cautions to be careful about using computer technology. Okay, thank you.